Good day everyone. Today I am going to talk about how to reset your mobile phone correctly. First you go to app menu, then select setting, scroll down, select the system, select the reset. Okay, now we can see three types of reset here. First one reset all setting, second one network setting reset, third one factory data reset. If you choose one, reset all setting, fingerprints, face data, lock screen password, network setting also will be really reset if you choose one. So if you choose number two, network setting reset, where Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi passwords, SIMs APN settings, SIMs passwords also will be reset. If you choose third one, factory data reset, your videos, photos, accounts, apps, in, uh, install apps, uh, install photos, someone's uh, in your internal storage also will be permanently reset.